Hey DIY enthusiasts, have you ever struggled to take apart your phone because a heat gun is just too risky? You might accidentally overheat the screen, melt plastic parts, or even burn yourself. Well, worrying no more. Introducing the magic self-heating pad, the safe and easy solution for phone disassembly. The magic self-heating pad is compact and portable, making it perfect for your toolbox. Here's how it works. Simply tear open the package and the pad will begin heating up automatically. Wait around 10 minutes for the pad to reach its ideal temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius. Once heated, apply the pad directly to the area of the phone you want to disassemble. Leave it on for another 10 minutes. The phone should feel slightly warm to the touch. Disposable products cannot be reused. Do not open if not attempt to use. Avoid prolonged skin contact. Keep out of reach of children. When it feels hot enough, you're ready to safely disassemble your phone. In colder weather or for larger screens, you can use two heating pads together for extra heat. Here are some important safety tips. Only use the heating pad when you need it. The pad will be hot after activation. Avoid prolonged skin contact. Keep this product out of reach of children. Once finished, let the heating pad cool down completely before throw it. The packaging is eco-friendly and can be disposed of with regular household waste. Alternatively, you can cut it open and use it as plant fertilizer. Thanks for watching.